reason why. I'm not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. What you got
Coming up on today's vlog.
Guys, I just came out of Walmart and see this note thingy on my car. And I'm not touching that bad boy until I get home because I don't know what's on it. I don't eat powder. Ew. How are you talking about? Good morning, guys. Finally, you guys can see my face. I found me an old wig and just slap it on. I'm doing my hair right now. Like, I'm doing little braid outs. But I didn't. Hey, mommy. Jesus, you look homeless. Where's your boots? What time is it? 6:10. We have 30 minutes to get out of. No, we have 20. Okay, guys, I'm freaking out. I gotta drop off hubby. Well, hubby gotta drop off himself, and then I bring the kids back. But we're taking the kids because it's so close to when they have to be at school. My anxiety is acting up right now. Whoo, breathe. Breathe. Woosa. Woosa. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, Jason. All right, let's go. Babe, you have my keys? Yeah. Okay. All right, I need my purse with my ID. All right, go. Take the baby. I have to turn off the lights. Juju, behave yourself, okay? Take this trash out of here or else he will mess this up. Yeah.
They didn't take it out the key.
Oh, he didn't go out? I'll take him out. Juju, you gotta go out. I gotta take him out to pee. All right, go. Take him out. Hurry. We have 3 minutes. Open the thing. Don't let him pee on the shoes. Why'd they leave their shoe out there?
I need socks.
You don't have socks?
No.
Oh, man. Here, I'll hold them. You want to run upstairs and get your socks? You finished, boy? Okay. All right, come here. Sit. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Dustin, we have 2 minutes. Hurry up, baby. All right, let's go. Got my keys? Daddy, you got my keys? Yeah. All right. Oh, the light. Light. Okay. This light? All right, let's go.
Wait, Daddy.
Oh.
No, I turned it off by itself.
What's up?
The rude lady's husband.
Yeah.
Hi.
The lady that called me out of my name is behind my car. But I had to be here early
No,
because
it's his dad. The weird one, the dad. Well,
because
not weird, just
I had to
weird.
drop Marcelo and I dread it. Like, my heart is racing right now. Like,
Not weird. Not.
but you know what? I'm gonna have a good day, right, guys? We're gonna have a good day, and it's gonna be okay. So, yeah. I'm as right now. I'm just as pissed as I was that day, and it's been a while. It's been a hot minute. Zip up your coat, young lady, because you guys gotta get ready to go.
Stop. I know.
But I have to face your fears in life. Guys, we're outside Target. This is never good. Right, Leah? This is never good when we're sitting outside Target waiting for it to open at 8. Alright, so we gotta go to Target, and then we gotta go to Hobby Lobby, and then we gotta go to... Yeah, guys, can you see Maddie edges? Maddie, look at them edges. Rough. My baby cut off her edges. But we gotta go to Target. We gotta go to... Let me turn this down. Hold on. So we gotta go to Target, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, all that stuff, because I'm redoing my bathroom. Finally. Hubby got a bonus, and we've been contemplating who gets to spend the bonus. I'm gonna leave him some though. I'm gonna leave him some. But I've been itching to decorate something, so that's why we're here. I love you. Oh gosh, I gotta go. Okay, so we're in Target, and I don't think they put out all their spring stuff because I don't see what I came here for, but I see this sign and it says powder room, but it also says hot bath and get clean soap and towels. I don't have a bath in my powder room, so I need a sign. But they also have the laundry room, and I'm thinking of getting it, but it's too small for what I need it for. So I like those two, but I don't think they're practical at all for what I need. But there's, oh, they have the lemon. I've seen this lemon before, and I don't think I'm a lemon girl. My spring stuff is mostly subtle, like really subtle. But I'm gonna get out of here because I didn't see. They do have these. I didn't see what I came for. And my Target dollar spot is always a hit or miss. Ooh, I like these for Maddie hair. Ooh, $3. Look at that. That is really cute. Is it bows for hair? Bow tie set. Oh, they're bow ties for little boys. Ooh, okay. Look at Maddie. I'm gonna show you guys Maddie. Nah. I found these though. I found these guys. I like that. And I like this for my tea tray, and this is for my bathroom. And I don't know, I just like this. So that's like $4. Yeah, let's go. I want to get some succulent picks, but I don't know which one to get. I have a bunch. I have a bunch here. And I don't know which one to get. I just don't know. I'm not a color girl. I do not like color, so it would have to be. Ooh, this is pretty. Let me go concentrate. Guys, I just came out of Walmart and see this note thingy on my car, and I'm not touching that bad boy until I get home because I don't know what's on it. It's saying something about they just bought their car, something, and whatever. So I ain't touching that mess until I get home. Okay, let's go read what's on this thing. We're gonna go check it out. Okay. There you go. Let's just do that. Oh crap. I don't know what it says. Oh shit. It says, hello, I just bought my vehicle yesterday and parked away from everyone so no one would hit my door. You hit my door and scratch handle. Call me thanks. God bless. Bougie. What? No, the hell I did not. In the house. This lady is left the, you know the note I was showing you guys? Lady said, left a note saying that I hit her car. I did not hit her car. I'm like, I am not calling you because I didn't hit your car. I don't know who hit your car, but it ain't me. I can show you all the front of my car, the side of my car, everywhere on my car. I ain't hit this lady. I'm just trying to get money out of people. Please. Bye. Boy, bye. The hell? Talk about I hit it. Get out of here with your scamming ass. So I need to show you guys the stuff I got from Walmart and Hobby Lobby. Okay guys, so let's start here. So I got this. This says One Life. Get sour, sweeten it with gratitude, and it's gonna go on my little tier tray. And then I have this guy. When life gets sour, sweeten it with get. I don't know why I got the same thing, because there was one where it said if you get lemon something, make lemonade. But I like this, and it's gonna go on my little a little shelf in my dining room. I found this on clearance, and I lost my other one, and this was the only one, and it was $5. So I'm getting ready to charge my Fitbit Blaze and start counting my steps. I'm so excited. I got some lemons, because I know it's lemon season. Got this little tobacco basket. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. I think I'm gonna throw, what's this on my counter? Still disgusting. I think I'm gonna throw this in here and kind of figure out how to put it in my tiered stand. But you know, look at all the lemon. I got some burger for later, because hubby likes to make or grill. So he's gonna make burger for us. I got some pita for us. It's a lot of carbs, but I figured, you know, why not? And then burger bun for the kiddos. Got some socks for Maddie, because they were $1 for 2 church socks. So I got those, and then I got her these. These were $3 for 3. And I just got her the 3T to 5T. And then I got her these as well. So you got the black, red, and white. So I got those for church. And then I picked up some of these, because regular $6.24, so $4.50. So I got her that. I got a thing of wings, because I've been fiending, I've been craving, I've been wanting wings. So that's that. And then I got some sweet and spicy to go on it. I might throw it in the oven, or I might just, you know, let hubby grill it. But got some sriracha, been out for a while. Got some cheese for the burger, and coffee. I've been wanting coffee, and I spent $83 on all this stuff at Walmart. Let me show you the stuff from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so from Hobby Lobby, I got this little basket. I think I got the wrong one. I'm gonna show you guys a photo in which I'm being inspired by, but I think I got the wrong one, so I'm still looking. I think I need a little bit more height. So this is gonna be sitting up on top of the shelf with some little hand towels and stuff in it. But this is for my bathroom. So I got 2 of these little shelves, and they weren't on sale this week, so these were regular $30. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring them back next week and then get my $30 back. Well, I'm just gonna spend it in Hobby Lobby, because I need to get some more stuff. This is just a towel hanger for the thing, and then this is for, you know, on the other side. I'm gonna remove the actual bar for towels and put this up there instead. So that's all I got, and I think this was like 60 or 70 bucks. I'm not sure. I used a 40% off on one of these, so I need to go back and get my 50 and the other 10 next week. I am like starving, like Marvin. I'm starving like Marvin. I don't even know what to eat right now. Hey, Mama. Hey. Hey, butter cake. Oh, I need to go charge my Fitbit. I just got off the phone with Mia Joy. Oh my gosh. I met her here on YouTube. I met her when her son was a baby. He's 4 now. He's 4. And we spent 56 minutes. That's a true friendship, when you can stay forever on the phone and just talk forever. But she's like legit the only person on YouTube that I've met that we've become really, really good friends. That's not true. Tina from the Queen Vlog. And I could see myself being her bestie, because yeah. I love Mia. I'm getting ready to, what am I getting ready to do? Not a goddamn thing. I'm not getting ready to do anything. Why did I pick up the camera? I'm so lost right now. Oh, I have to make Maddie's lunch. So I came over here, and I need an orange. So, and I'm deranged right now. Where am I? What happened? What's happening? What's happening? You guys should see Maddie. She's so cute. She's so cute. Come here. Say hi. Say hi. She had chocolate. She had chocolate today. So her face is a mess. But look at her. With her edges gone. What? Here. She just had a nap. She just dropped my pretzel. She don't want my pretzel. Pick it up. For one, the wig is not flopped on my head like that.
Hi, Maddie.
Rob, you're so disrespectful when it comes to my wigs.
Come here, Maddie.
Maddie said
Freak
she
her
don't
out.
want nothing to do with it. Maddie. Maddie. Destiny, you want to end the vlog? You want to end the vlog?
Sure.
Go ahead.
Bye, sunshines. We'll see you tomorrow, and we'll be cleaning. So, bye.
Want to say bye, Maddie? Say bye, kisses.